What's up, my unstoppable warriors? Welcome to Moss Power Mind. We're going to unleash the champion within and obliterate laziness from our lives. Buckle up, because we're about to ignite that fire of determination and crush every obstacle in our path to success. Listen up carefully, my champions. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. So, let's promise yourselves right now that you will never give up in any situation. Laziness won't stand a chance against our relentless pursuit of greatness. Oh, laziness, you sneaky little devil. You try to lure people into comfort zones, whispering tomorrow and not now. But don't fall for these tricks. It's time to expose laziness tactics and show the world what you are truly made of. No more I can't, only I can and I will. A champion's mindset is a powerful force. You have to train your mind to be resilient, focused, and optimistic. When doubts knock, you will have to answer with your unwavering determination. So, are you ready to ignite the fire within and unleash your inner champion and conquer any challenge that comes your way? I want you to destroy your laziness because you have the great energy that is surging through your veins. From this moment on, laziness has no power over you. You are unstoppable. Success comes with its fair share of hurdles and haters, but guess what? You will leap over those hurdles and use the negativity as fuel for your right path to success. No negativity can dampen your spirit. You rise above and you shine. In this grand battle against laziness, you are a warrior. So, let's break down laziness and conquer it step by step. Each day, set a clear goal and visualize your success. Take action, no matter how small, and build momentum. Celebrate your victories, learn from your challenges, and stay persistent. You've got the power within to soar high. I want you to see what's possible when you unleash your inner champion. Look at real-life heroes who crushed laziness and reached the summit of success. Their journey wasn't always easy, but they kept pushing forward. And you can do the same. Finding yourself slipping back into laziness? That's where accountability comes in. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift you and hold you accountable. Let's reframe your perception of failure. It's not the end, it's a stepping stone to greatness. Embrace failure, learn from it, and bounce back stronger than ever before. You are resilient, my champions. You hold the key to your greatness. Destroy laziness, unleash your inner champion, and become the hero of your story because you have the power to destroy laziness and rise to the top. It's just the beginning. Remember, laziness has no place in the lives of champions like you. And don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe for more exhilarating motivation, and share this video with anyone who needs a dose of greatness.